Hi friends, I hope you're having yourself a swell day. I'm having one myself. I'm sure you're wondering why I've gathered you here today, and that is because I am doing a room tour. I've wanted to do one for a long time. I've been cleaning all morning to get this room in shape for the video, so let's just do it. Alright, so we're starting off strong before we even go into the room. We have this super cute plushy beaded curtain, hi Ollie, that I made myself, not to toot my own horn, but it is cute. There's little bows and hearts and stars. It's kind of like Lucky Charms, yeah. So we'll go through here. Please notice how clean and amazing it looks. Nothing on the floor. I even vacuumed. I'm very proud, as you can tell. So why don't we just start over here. Hello, here's me. I guess we could do an outfit rundown. My sweater is from WC. I got it in Harajuku when I was in Japan last year. That was last year, right? No, that was 2018. I don't want to talk about it. And hello Ollie. My leggings are from Adidas. I've got my little cinema roll socks. Out of the way! I got my little cinema roll socks. And I got these Kiki's Delivery Service slippies at an anime convention. Yay! Oh, I also used those hair wigglers again. I'll link the video for that up above somewhere. They did not turn out as luxurious as they did last time. I think I didn't let the hair dry enough, but I had to film this video and get on with it, so I pulled them out and went about my day, but I think they're alright. I still like it. So I guess we can start by going in the closet. I'm not too excited about. Ollie's really excited though. He loves going in the closet. So in here is basically just storage. I've got my petticoats. This is how I store my wigs. This is like, I don't know, some kind of shoe hanger, something or another from IKEA, but I use it for my wigs. I've got my hamster stuff down there. My hamster passed away a little bit ago, so I'm storing all the equipment until I can get a new hammy friend. Would you like that, Ollie? Another hammy friend? Back here I've got, you can kind of see him peeking. I have a Kylo Ren body pillow. Absolutely not, sir. No. And we can look on the other side here. I've got some Renaissance fair costume stuff, my winter jackets. Up above I've got some figure case boxes, more wigs. Save the USPS! Save them! That's holding my craft materials. Over here I've got some like art books that I don't really have a way to display right now other than shoving them in the closet, so that's that. Ollie is now a part of the closet. I've got my sewing machine, various suitcases. Oliver, you're being very rude. You're embarrassing me in front of my friends. Get down. Stinky boy. So now that we have storage out of the way, we can come over here. I've got some cherry blossom plants. Fake, of course, unfortunately. I got this awesome sign from my friend. That's the truth. I've got some bananas over here. These are all from my friend, actually. This is her little corner. Moving over here, I have my figure case. We've got Kyubey and Madoka. I'm a big fan of Madoka. And then here I've got a Dark Magician girl, a Miku. Everybody has a Miku card. Everyone is allowed one Miku figure. And then this is Atelier Meruru, which is an obscure video game that I cosplayed from. We've got Lulico over here. Next shelf, more Madoka. I got that big one in the back from Japan. Holly! You just want to be a star, huh? Excuse me, dear. And then the last shelf is more Madoka and Kyubey. And then this is probably my favorite piece in the room, this lounge. We grabbed this off of Facebook Marketplace, if you can believe that. It was an excellent price. Down underneath I have pushing boxes. There's a bunch of just random crap in there. old photos, birthday cards, stuff like that. But I have several of my plushies here. I got that one in my pushing haul video. I'll also link that up above. Where's my finger? Up above. I got tubs from Neko Atsume, another pushing, Koralakuma. I got this cute lion pushing because my zodiac is a Leo. Thought it was so cute. I got that cinema roll in Japan as well. This is a handmade Makar plushie. He jingles because he's the best. And then I thought this Rilakkuma looked like Ollie, huh? Your twin. Adorable. Then moving over here, I have my record player. I got this from Urban Outfitters, and then I've got some other little goodies here. I've got some Moling and Eevees, and one of these cool German handcrafted candles. Let's see what's on the player right now. Yes, the Madoka soundtrack. I love Madoka, what can I say? Over here is a trellis that I got from IKEA with some fake flowers that are from Amazon. And then down here is where I store my records. This is the Madoka one that I've got set up right now. I've also got Over the Garden Wall soundtrack. I've got Undertale. I've got Silent Hill 2. Very good. And then these are some of like my actual bands. This is the Format. And then I've got a couple albums from the Midnight. So that's my little collection. I want some more. These boxes are also from IKEA, and then I just decorated them with some stickers from Daiso. And then over here I've got my curtains. It's 2 of them. It's this white lacy number and then like this dusty pink. I got them both from IKEA, as well as the curtain rod, which has these cute little curly cues on it. Pretty much all of like the basic furniture here is from IKEA. This little table's from IKEA. These ones are from IKEA as well. I've got some beautiful gothic Lolita Bibles here, and this beautiful wand is from Baby the Star Shine Bright. I got it from their flagship store in Harajuku. And then down here I've got some more Lolita fashion magazines. I've got an Ollie in the way. Excuse me, move your booty, sir. And then I've got these really cute, if it'll focus, little Eevee Pokemon play sets, I guess. I think they're all supposed to connect together, but I can't bring myself to take it out of the packaging. They're just so cute. If it would focus, please. There he is. I think it's adorable. And I got this cute candle in a little tray from IKEA as well. I've got some of my crystals here, some rose quartz, and then some regular clear quartz as well. And then back behind me, oh, there's so many. I have to like step back so you can see them all. There they are. Those are all of my Lolita dresses and my shoes and accessories. Up top I've got my purses. Some of my purses I don't want to set down because they can get damaged and warped. I've got a little Rilakkuma here, a little My Melody. I've got this pretty parasol back here that is great for the summer if I could have gone out. And I tried to color code my wardrobe, so I've got my red, a lot of pink, as you can see, some blue, and then I've got some lavender as well. And then down here, I've got my hair accessories. Not all of them, I have a lot more, but they're somewhere else. Down here, I've got my socks and my tights. So down here is kind of the junk drawer. Yeah, right, there's a lot of stuff in it. This is like random Renaissance festival stuff. I've got more hair accessories in here. Here's my little pushings from my pushing haul video. Like I said, I will link it up above. I've got, this is actually a scarf with Usakumya on it. She's like a little mascot for one of the Lolita brands. And I've got my shoes over here. I love these. These are also from WC from Harajuku. And then my altar. This is my vanity. It's got all the good stuff on it. Hello. So over here I've got some trinkets. I've got some pictures of myself and my husband. I use this fan to dry my setting spray faster. It works really well. My cool mirror I got. I did an unboxing of this in my quarantine makeup haul video. I can link that above as well. Over here I've got, this is a little solid perfume. This is a setting spray, so are these. I've got a little tray here with a rose quartz rubbing stone from my friend. My brushes, which need to be cleaned. These are like my little makeup remover pads. I use reusable ones that I throw in the wash. We have to be kind to the earth. And then over here I've got some more little trinkets. I've got some thimbles. This is a Swarovski crystal. Can't throw that away. I got this in Kyoto. This little shop was so cute. It was a shop ran by a young lady and her mom. And the mom was selling these little guys that her daughter made. This is a cute little photo frame with me and my best friend. It's got glitter in it. It's a good time. And this was actually a wedding gift from a couple of my friends. It's actually a pickle, like, holder, fancy server thing, if you'll believe it. I love it because I love pickles. And then I've got some more Madoka art over here. These are some of my accessories for Lolita. Up here I've got some goodies, some purikura, my Instax photos, little goodies like that, a message here for everyone, please. I guess I can show you what's in my vanity as well. It's probably pretty clean right now, I just redid it. Yeah, okay. This is where I keep a lot of my eye makeup, so like brow pencils, eyeliner, mascara, lashes, stuff like that. You like it? You think it looks good? No? Okay, bye. Down here, I've got some hair accessories, hair ties, my mirror, little brush, my wig cap. I keep my bobby pins in here. This is actually a fake lash holder from Daiso, but I use it for bobby pins. And then I've got my liquid lipsticks here, some lip glosses, and this drawer is kind of a mess. This is my skincare stuff. The little makeup guys I was talking about, they come with this cute little bag so you can rewash them. I'll actually link them down below because makeup wipes are a huge polluter in the ocean and you should not use them anymore. These are great. I'll link them below. And then over here is my face stuff. So I've got a bunch of sponges, my powder, blush, highlighter, foundation, concealer, stuff like that. Down here is my eyeshadows, little glitters and stuff. And this drawer is also kind of a mess. It's just storage. I've got like face masks, my tarot cards, some extra crystals and candles and stuff like that. I need to get organized. Well, guys.
No.
Guys, I think that's about it. I hope you enjoyed taking a look around my room with me and Ollie. Ollie, please. Well, I hope you're having a great morning, evening, week, weekend, wherever you are in the world. Thanks for spending some time with me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye!